In a significant diplomatic move, Finland is set to sign a defense cooperation agreement with the United States on Monday, December 18th, according to the Finnish government's announcement. The agreement is expected to provide the US military with extensive access across Finland, particularly in the vicinity of its long border with Russia. This strategic partnership comes as Finland, Russia's Nordic neighbor, joined the NATO military alliance earlier this year in response to Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine. Foreign Minister Elina Valtonen emphasized the efficiency of this agreement, stating that having a comprehensive understanding in place streamlines peacetime operations and proves crucial in times of crisis. This groundbreaking agreement with the United States is strategically designed to facilitate swift military access and provide aid to Finland in the event of a conflict, as revealed by officials ahead of the announcement. The comprehensive agreement outlines 15 facilities and areas across Finland where the US military will enjoy unimpeded access, including provisions for storing military equipment and ammunition. Among these locations are 4 air bases, a military port, and railway access to northern Finland. Notably, the US military will have a designated storage area alongside a railway that extends to the Russian border, marking a significant development in this defense cooperation. As part of strategic enhancements, Finland is currently upgrading its railway infrastructure along the Swedish border to facilitate the smooth deployment of reinforcements and equipment from allies across the Atlantic. The focus is on Kemijärvi, situated just an hour's drive from Russian border and approximately 7 hours from Russia's nuclear bastion and military bases near Murmansk in the Kola Peninsula. The move aligns with Finland's commitment to strengthening defense capabilities. Meanwhile, neighboring Sudan, awaiting NATO membership, recently signed a similar agreement with the US, providing access to 17 areas, including air bases, a harbor, and military camps. Among NATO members, the United States has inked same defense cooperation agreements with several nations, including Norway, Bulgaria, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Slovakia, the Czech Republic, Hungary, and Estonia. The agreement with Denmark is pending approval for now. Notably, Finland emphasizes its commitment to international non-proliferation treaties, barring the storage or transport of nuclear and biological weapons, as well as anti-personnel mines on its territory. While the US military is granted the ability to maintain a permanent presence and conduct regular exercises in Finland, there are no plans for establishing permanent bases. The official signing of the agreement is scheduled to take place in Washington, D.C. on Monday, December 18th, followed by ratification by legislators in both countries.